he'll have it out at the parties. I'm like, Tom, put that thing away, dude. One of the kids are gonna break that. You know? Can you imagine? I'm gonna sip a sip. Thank you. Good. Bottle. Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers, everyone.
Cheers.
Cheers. Bam.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers, Joey.
Cheers.
All right, I got you. Cheers.
Where's the Braveheart freedom?
Absolutely.
No juice for this one. Jolly Rancher, huh?
That watermelon. That's good. Well, if this is what it's like to pick up trash on the weekend, I'm game.
Oh, this is fucking.
Right here?
My beer down.
It is wrong.
Oh shit.
Oh, it's wait.
Oh, that's smart. Oh, it opened.
No, it's just the light, man. I need to get in there. I'm just so thirsty.
Ready?
And the thing takes so long to get.
Come on. Jump in, right? Go down. You have any extra? Come on, bud.
Oh, it's because it's dry.
Ready?
No, I when you first put water in it.
Yeah.
Okay, Joey going down the mosque slide.
Hope you're wearing a cup. That was fast. I think I got a top speed out of that one.
Go for it, Braveheart.
You'll love it. Yeah. I'm right here. You gotta sit down right there. You ready? Go!
Woo!
Yeah!
There are berries growing on
Make sure you get your butt cheeks right over
that vine. Let's see. Right there. Berries. Not all ripe though.
Yeah. I needed that.
Yeah. That was a big change.
Go for it.
Synchronized. Hey, Gordon.
This is how I'm going out.
How'd you find it? Did you see the notes on the car? Good. Gordon showed up.
Of course.
I got something for you in my backpack.
Good. I got something for you too.
I can't something.
Ready?
No.
Come on. Jump in right. Go down right there and jump in. Come on, bud. Ready? Go! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Swim, swim, swim!
Oh no! His Braveheart tattoo came off.
It's gone! Alright, there you go!
Trooper.
Good? Woo! Swim, swim!
Go, Jen. Full submersion.
Not a cannonball like you, huh?
Braveheart.
Feels good after being inside, though.
Alright, go swim back.
Hey! Cannonball.
Got it? Alright.
Whose water bottle is that?
No, someone used He chained up or cabled up in the middle. Joey's got the broom.
See you. Thanks for coming.
Thank you.
From the truck.
Cooking some trout. Cooking an early lunch, early dinner because rice and vegetables. Oh, it's trash. Gordon from the forestry is here, so I'm gonna cook him a trout. I caught those trout in the Eastern Sierras. He's using a new graffiti removal not cover, removal. Works pretty good, Gordon.
They took off that black stuff real good.
How's it working on here on the blue?
Blue's a little tougher. Not sure why. They just been here longer.
Yeah, probably.
Toxic. So it's got to be the acid formula.
You can see it washing off though.
That did a lot better.
I caught all of those on Daredevil lures and Panther Martins. So, how's it taste?
Your shirt looks like the Sinclair.
Pretty damn good.
I got
Fantastic. Yeah.
Really good.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
In Colorado.
How is it, Gordon?
Oh man, this is amazing.
You can thank Panther Martin and Daredevil Lures and pinfishingrods.com.
I'm gonna eat that beef.
Yeah, I gotta pick one of those up, man.
Gordon, what were you saying about, you guys are volunteers, right?
That's right.
Okay, but the $5 parking pass,
Yes. Yeah, when we sell the $5 parking passes, our organization gets $2 out of that $5.
and these are the guys going around cleaning up your graffiti, your trash, cleaning your trails. He's up there hiking around with, what are the saws?
It's crosscut saws, 2-man crosscut saws.
Like you used to see on the old cartoons. He's up there carrying those up because they don't allow him to have chainsaws up there because of fires. He's up there cutting these big old logs and rolling them down onto small villages. But
We do try to avoid the villages. I gotta stop you.
but some of the, what's the biggest diameter log you guys cut?
We cut one that was 5 feet across.
And how many hours?
Yeah, we had to do 2 cuts in it. There was only 3 of us, and it took us about 5 hours.
5 hours.
And then we had to roll it. And
So there's where your past money's going. A lot of your past money. When you guys say, where's that past money going? I don't see anything.
it's
Well,
going to people who volunteer and clean up the trails and make them hikeable. Yeah.
Make this all possible.
they make stuff like this disappear. At least
get
you're
a
getting.
parking
At least
pass.
you're getting $2. I'm not getting
Sure
a
and get
damn
your
thing.
parking pass. Yeah.
Good to meet you, brother.
Hey, thanks a lot, man.
Thank you.
See you around, Gordon.
So long.
Here's the stuff we're after. That stuff. That stuff. That. There. There. This is what the local homeowners asked us to get. We're gonna get all of this. We're gonna get this entire wall and everything down and over to where we were. Minus that, it doesn't work on houses or structures.
Over here.
Off the road to get the ones up. Is there any up there? I know we got one down on.
Okay, look at it.
Oh, no, I know there's a bunch right here, but not that much. There's a
It's good.
area that has a lot, but then there's a rock.
Okay, this is the first in my camp. He's got some buffalo livers,
I need some dipping sauce.
Calf liver.
some cat. Oh, look at that! Look at that cat liver.
It off.
How is it?
edible. It's an explosion of flavor.
I got grilled onions if you wanted grilled onions to go with it.
Here's some barbecue sauce.
Barbecue. Want some ketchup with that?
Joey over here. Look at, he made the most delicious cod.
Dry side.
Huh?
Cottage.
Yeah.
Steve, Joey said he made some cottage.
Cottage.
You want another one?
Nah, that should be good.
Okay. They're a little dry.
This stuff's good.
Stuff a little bit.
So some of the guys went to sleep. Another guy, he showed up. He hasn't been around here since the birthday party of my daughter. That was her what birthday was that? 18th or?
18th, yeah.
18th, she's 20 now, so. 2 years gone by. But you're living on this side of the hill now, right?
Yeah, I am.
Right on. Well, you're welcome to join us anytime, man.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Brought his dog up.
This guy, yeah. He's old. I figured since we're just coming for a while, I would just kind of let him get out.
You like it up here?
He does, yeah. Any fresh air he kind of likes.
Scrambled eggs and hash browns.
And then it got high. Oh, yeah.
Church's
You guys
chicken hot
want
sauce.
some everything free? Some kind of chocolate stuff?
Split it between you and your son.
Yeah, I don't know. It looked really good, and it was on discount at Ralph's. Yeah, it's like.
This is where I slept. This is where another guy slept, another guy slept. One here, one over there. Jen was up there, Steve and Jen.
It's all part of it, you know. When we were in the Scouts, it was like, leave it better than you found it.
Mike and his son.
You know, that kind of thing.
What a difference, huh? A few of us get together, have a great weekend. We probably did total 4 or 5 hours, maybe 6 hours cleanup, maybe. Cookout was here. Wait till you see the stuff we've taken out of here. Hey, thanks everybody. Thank you.
Roman.
I said thank you.
Thank you, Erwin.
Thank you. You should give me a shout out.
What's the name of your channel, Roman?
No, I'm fine.
What is it?
I'm fine.
So the guy that lives back here is going to come up here, pull up, haul our trash up for us. Ice cold what, Joey?
Lemonade. A cool, refreshing drink.
Always. How is it?
Delicious. Cold. Ice cold.
Right on, our ride's here.
Hey, look, I got Bob, what is all that shit? Well, it's fat, buddy.
Oh, thank you.
Dragonfly is a reminder of your true nature. You just said that a second ago.
Whatever, you know. Each their own.
I was like, that probably wasn't the best choice to fill this up with.
If my house burns down, they won't renew my lease.
Crazy. Okay.
Hey, you like that? That rock wall?
Love that rock wall.
A lot better, huh?
I love gray painted rocks.
It's a lot better than it did, though.
Oh yeah, it looks way better.
Thank you for carrying the stuff up for us.
Hell yeah, thank you for coming and doing all the work. Thank you for organizing. Fucking amazing.
Check out his video.
Yeah, this was fun.
I think I already right on the concrete, huh?
We're out of here.
Be touch.
Bye. Bye.
Is this the trash?
Well, nice meeting you. Thanks for everything.
Yeah. Yeah, keep me updated. I want to see the video. Cool, man.